Okay, let's continue now. For the MCQ of Lesson 59, Understanding the Properties of Light and Sound Waves Related to Navigation. So number 1, which property of sound waves makes sonar useful for underwater navigation? Letter A, the ability to travel in a vacuum. Letter B, their high speed in air. Letter C, the reflection of solid objects. Letter D, their ability to be polarized. Number 2, which technology uses light waves for navigation? Letter A, sonar. Letter B, radar. Letter C, letter B, GPS. Letter C, radar. Letter D, echolocation. Number 3, what is the main difference between light waves and sound waves in navigation applications? Letter A, light waves are longitudinal, sound waves are transverse. Letter B, sound waves require a medium. Light waves can travel in a vacuum. Letter C, sound waves travel faster than light waves. Letter D, light waves always bend around obstacles. Number 4, in radar navigation, the distance to an object can be calculated using letter A, the time taken for sound wave to return. Letter B, the time taken for the light wave to return. Letter C, to change the change in air pressure. Letter D, the speed of sound in air. Number 5, which property of light is responsible for a periscope ability to redirect images? Letter A, refraction. Letter B, reflection. Letter C, diffraction. D, interference. Number 6, the speed of sound in water is approximately letter A, 150 meters per second. Letter B, 340 meters per second. Letter C, 1,480 meters per second. Letter D, 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Number 7, total internal reflection is crucial in letter A, fiber optic navigation systems. Letter B, sonar systems. Letter C, echolocation by whales. Letter D, GPS satellites. Number 8, which of the following is not a factor that affects the speed of sound in water? Letter A, temperature. Letter B, pressure. Letter C, salinity. D, color of the water. Number 9, the Doppler effect in navigation is used to, letter A, measure temperature changes in water. Letter B, measure the speed of a moving object. Letter C, calculate the brightness of a light source. Letter D, measure water depth. Number 10, why is light preferred over sound in GPS systems? Light waves travel slower than sound waves. Light waves require a medium to travel. Light waves travel faster and can operate in space. Letter D, light waves are easier to produce. Number 11, if a sonar signal takes 6 seconds to travel to an object and back in water, the one-way travel time is letter A, 1.5 seconds, letter B, 3 seconds, letter C, 6 seconds, letter D, 12 seconds. Number 12, which wave properly which wave property allows radio waves to bend around the curvature of the Earth for navigation? Letter A, refraction. Letter B, diffraction. Letter C, reflection. Letter D, interference. Number 13. In underwater navigation, the refractive angle of light can be found using A. Snell's law, B. Ohm's law, C. Newton's second law, D. Coulomb's law. Number 14. The unit of frequency in navigation wave equations is A. Newton, B. Hertz, C. Pascal, D. Joule. Number 15. Which of these is an example of using sound waves for navigation? Letter A. Lighthouses. Letter B. Sonar. Letter C. GPS. D. Light or fiber optic cables. And the answer key for lesson number 59, please proceed to lesson 60. And the answer key for lesson 58, understanding the properties of light and sound waves related to communication technology, is as follows. Number 1, letter C. They travel at 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second in a vacuum. Number 2, letter C, light waves. Number 3, letter A, B is equals to F times lambda. Number 4, B, refraction. Number 5, B, frequency. Number 6, C, their speed depends on the medium. Number 7, C, hertz. Number 8, B, million hertz. Number 9, B, the light hits the boundary at greater than the critical angle. Number 10, A, sonar. Number 11, B, wavelength decreases. Number 12, C, diffraction. Number 13, A, light does not require a medium. Number 14, B, radar speed gun. Number 15, B, 2 meters. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.